guys, welcome back. It's Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. It's been a while. I know. I am back to do a quick reveal. It's not an unboxing. I already unboxed this item already. I received it a few days ago. I had to do like a pre-order and it came sometime this week, so I just wanted to come in and do a video to share it. I'm excited to have this item. It's from a brand that I never shopped with before, Brandon Blackwood, and I previously saw this item on Instagram, on YouTube, and let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about the packaging. Amazing. I was so thrilled. I wasn't expecting this, but when it came packaged like this so beautifully, I was excited. You know, I purchased a lot of things from luxury places and it wasn't this nice. So I definitely appreciate this beautiful packaging. So that's number one. Open it. Beautiful box. I'm definitely keeping it. And then we have this Brandon Blackwood, New York, and a little thank you note. I thought that was a beautiful touch to have. Again, I haven't received a thank you note with any of my other purchases, so I thought this was a sweet touch to add to the box. And look at the interior, so cool. Love it, love it. So here is the inside. Brandon Blackwood. Again, I opened this already because I just couldn't wait, and I just love the soft cushioning inside. And it came with the dust bag. Here it is. Let's see what it is. It is this beautiful Brandon Blackwood. It is the NIA handbag. I can't even remember the name of the handbag, but I will put it up here. And this is the medium size. When they did their spring drop, you did a pre-order, and this retailed for $475. I love this. I know it might seem like a lot, but I've seen a few people who've had it on YouTube and I watched them style it, and I just think it's such a cool bag to have on vacation if you're going away this spring and summer. And the reason why I like it is because you have the option of wearing it over the shoulder, and you also have the option of wearing it crossbody. And I am excited to have this bag. Here is the back. I know it might seem like a lot for a lot of people. My mom was like, what is this? She was like, are you sure you're going to wear this? But I envision myself wearing this on vacation, even with a pair of denim shorts, a nice tank or a short sleeve shirt, and wearing it crossbody. As you know, I'm a mom pushing my stroller, my son in his stroller, or if I'm just out and about going to dinner with my husband, I can see myself wearing a tan flowy dress and also having this bag with me. So I'm excited. I can't wait to take it on my girls trip. I can't wait to take it on my family trip. And even in the summer, if I'm just going out with some friends or my husband, I cannot wait to wear it out. So it does have the B logo. I did not take the sticker off, the Brandon Blackwood logo. The leather is beautiful. Now, I'm a LV lover, as you can see from my previous video. So this color was up my alley, this brown neutral color. I usually don't step outside of my comfort zone, but this is something I thought would be a little treat for myself, but also sticking to what I love. Neutral tones that can really go with anything. Classic item I think to have in your handbag collection. Not classic, traditional classic, but it's a piece that years down the line you would say, oh my god, where do you get this from? So this is the new handbag. I did have to go on a wait list. It came. It is currently sold out. They do have a smaller version than this. I decided to go with the medium. Even though it might seem like a lot, be that I'm a new mom, I have a 9-month-old son, I need space to carry whatever it is that he needs. So I decided to go with the medium size for my lifestyle at this time, but the smaller one is a great option if you don't need as much space on the inside. I do want to take time to show you. I put everything back up because I'm not wearing this right now, but you just clip it on the side. It's a work of art. This is truly a work of art. It's different. You know, there's other bags that have their raffia bags, their straw bags, but I don't think nothing is really comparing to this. It's gonna catch people's eyes. So it's a little bit different. It's not for everybody. I'm gonna take it back and say it's not a classic. It's just something, it's a special piece to have in your collection. So here it is over the shoulder. I'm not gonna stand up because I still have my little pouch for my son, but here it is over the shoulder. And the crossbody strap, I will insert pictures of me wearing it over the shoulders maybe, if I have time. The crossbody strap is a little bit longer. The only thing I wish, and I'm not a handbag designer, I wish the crossbody strap was as thick as the shoulder strap. That's just me. That's the only thing I was like, oh, okay, but you know, whatever. You have to, I'm not going to say it's a bad, take the good with the bad, but I just do wish that the crossbody strap was a little bit thicker, because I feel as if when I add my things to the handbag, it's going to get a little bit heavy, and I'm not sure if this strap will be able to like hold everything. I do like that the strap is adjustable, so that's a yay. Let me stand up. Here it is. Sorry. So you get the point. So I do like that the strap is adjustable, so you can adjust it to your desired length. And I just think it's a beautiful, beautiful handbag. It's definitely different. It's not for everyone. I think it's a work of art. I love the neutral colors. I love the bee. I think it's just beautiful. It's truly beautiful. So I haven't been shopping a lot because, for obvious reasons, but I came across this and I really wanted it. I thought it would be perfect for my up and coming trips, and I'm happy to have it into my collection. Now I have to figure out how I'm going to pack this in my carry-on. So this is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Thank you for stopping by. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I will absolutely love for you to do so. I just make videos on the things that I love. I haven't made videos in a while, so I'm just dipping my toe back and see what comes of it. So always remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others, and have a blessed day, and bye.